Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to start a new playlist with a series of prompt engineering where we can learn from beginner to a pro. Okay, so if you are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any AI assistant, but still feels like the responses are not sometime inconsistent or not just what you want expected, right? So then this playlist is exactly for you. Okay, so because the difference is not the AIs and all, so the difference is how you prompt it, right? And that's exactly what we are going to master in this complete prompt engineering playlist. Okay, so now one thing I want to make clear before beginning. So this is not going to be one of those overall theoretical AI series where we spend hour discussing deep LLMs, internal transformers, architectures, tokenization, embeddings, and all other research heavy stuff. So this is not going to be done in this playlist. Our focus is more practical, right? Like real prompting, real use cases, real projects. So whether you are a developer, content creator, students, working professional, or just some curious to learn about the AI, then this series will definitely help you out and how to use AI effectively. Okay, in this playlist we are going to understand each and everything from beginner to pro, how prompt engineering basically works, and this will have like a total of complete 15 videos as far as my like I've created this sections. So there will be 4 sections and there are numerous possibilities, right? So these are the 4 sections that we are going to introduce. So let me walk through each sections one by one. So in the first section we are going to understand about what is prompt engineering, what all topics we are going to cover, how like basically AI response. We'll give some good examples, good and bad prompts examples and all. Okay, after that we will understand how many types of prompting are there. So basically I have listed out like zero prompting, one shot prompting, few sorting, chain of thought prompting, role based prompting, persona prompting, a structured out prompting, and prompt chaining, right? So this will have some good amount of topics that we are going to cover. Okay, and there will be a dedicated video for each prompting here, right? So these are topics we can see. And after that, like we are also going to create some real world applications, right? So we will going to create prompt engineering for developer specific. We will going to do the prompting with content creators, like, and also we'll going to cover the prompt engineering for the productivity, like day-to-day life, how developer used to do their task and how we can enhance that functionality using the prompting, right? Then after learning all these things, we are also going to create some final projects, right? Projects will can have the build AI chatbot, our AI chatbot using some front-end React technology we are going to use. We are going to also create chatbot using the fast API, Python fast API, maybe you're aware of. Then we are going to use that fast API, how basically they are going to communicate with LLMs and all. And then we will create one role-based prompting AI chatbot. So basically we will have some dedicated topics. Let's say we have some mentor bot, or we can say interviewer we can create, and based on that how it will respond to us, we will create that completely end to end, right? So these are going to be 15 videos that I'm going to cover in this playlist. Okay, and in this, like the basic fundamental that is the requirement of this playlist is you must know basic of the Pythons. So that's it, only basic of Python is required, and just few knowledge of LLM, right? No deep understanding, nothing is required, only basic Python and how to create the Python coding and import and all libraries, right? So in this series we are going to use the front-end technology like React and Tailwind CSS to create our UI dashboard or the chatbot, right? We are going to use Python as a backend and fast API for the creation of the APIs which link backend and frontend and basically communicate. And we are going to explore some good AI models like OpenAI APIs, Olama, or GPTs, right? And the programming language, anyways, it is Python only. Fine. So these are the whole structure that I've created, and we are going to cover this in 15 videos. So hope you will understand this end to end how and getting the unlock the feature of power of AI completely by writing the exact and correct prompt, right? So yeah, that's all about this complete playlist introduction. So yeah, that's all for today. So stay curious, stay connected. Till then, bye.